Hi guys, and welcome to Delphi tutorial of Student Database Management System. And let me show you guys how this works. Right here we have the monthly calendar, and right below it are the different subjects. Then we have the course, and here details of the student, guidance, and more information about the student and the course. We can always navigate, though we only have one record in here now, or we can just click on enter new data. So let's assume the student name is as follows, and the name of the student is Tony Montana. There we go. Address of Montana is 17 Little Venice. Here, let's say those are his grades. There we go. And all they need to do is to click on the result to check out how he's performing. So we click on results. There we go. And the date as well. And as you can see, he's a second class upper now, and I'll see you guys with a full tutorial shortly. See you guys later. Bye for now. And let's start work with a new tutorial. So I'm going to go straight to file here, and let's drop that down, go to new, select Windows VCL application, click on that. Now that the application is opened, we now need to change the properties of the form. So make sure the form is selected, and now let's come into height right there, scroll right down. First of all, let's change this caption to Student Management System. There, that's the caption there. You might not be able to see it. Okay, scroll right down. We need the height. Let's see, that's height there. I'm going to change that to 740. Yeah, 740. And the width, I'm going to make that 1360. Okay, let's go for 1386. Alright, that's good. Now, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to change this background color. Let's come up here and just change it to cadet blue. Let's see, color. Just double click on it, then it opens up this dialog. Okay, so that's what you do. You come in here, because if you click on this drop down arrow, that's what you get. But I want to customize the color, so double click on that and drop this down. The color that I want is known as cadet blue. I'm going to enter that in there and change this one to 158, and the last one here I'm going to change that to 160. There, that is it, cadet blue. Now the next object that I want is the page control. So let's type in page in there. That's a T page control. Okay, and just dump that in there. Now right click on it and let's create new page. You see that? Right click again. I'm going to need two of those, but first of all let's just position it properly. Then I'll just click on it again and select the other page right there. Okay, now right click on it again, select new page. So we have two pages. Okay, the very first page, make sure that is selected. Let's go straight to the caption. That is the caption there. So I'm going to change that caption to, maybe we'll call that school system. And the second one, I'm going to change the name of the second one to student details. So we change that to student details. Press enter. And let's drag this page controller right down here. So let's select it all first. Yeah. Okay, now we can just drag right there. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to add, or first of all, let's come in here to the palette. I'm going to add panel. Yeah, that is it. Click on the panel. Let's draw one here. There we go. We have one panel there. I will need, in total, I will need about 9 of those. So let me just drag this out of the way for now, and this as well. Yeah. So copy that, paste. There we go. And another one. Copy both of them together. Copy and paste. There we go. That is fine. Place that there. And let's copy these two. Copy and just paste it right there. So I'm now going to arrange it the way I want. Okay guys, I've finished the layout of the panels, so that's how I want them. So do you see this very one here? I'm going to change that to cadet blue as well. So double click on that. Let's go to customize, and in here I'm just going to enter 90, 95, 158 and 160 there. Alright, that is fine. So let's drag this one here again, and in here the next thing I want is I'm going to need a calendar. So on the panel here, let's type in calendar viewer, something like that. There we go. Look at it. Alright, so let's put that one up here. There. Something like that. We'll have to amend that though. I think the font size seems to be too large, so we can always adjust that. Where's the font? Right here. Let's change that to something a little bit friendly. Right. Okay, that's looking how I want. Alright. Now, I'm going to add a label. So come back here, just type in TLabel. There. Just paste that label here. So I'm going to change the size of that red label to, let's see, make it bold, and make it about 18 there. And in here I'm going to change that to 1. That very label, change the text content on it to 1 there. So I'm going to copy it across. Let's just copy and paste. That will be 2, and that will be 3. Now we have 4. So just copy the 4 again, bring it down, and I'm now going to change the text data on each of these buttons. So this one will be 2, and that is 3, and so on. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to add combo box here. So let's say DBCombo there, and just drag that here somewhere. And that very combo box, I'm going to change the fonts. Let's make that about 16. Font, make it at 16 regular. That's fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy it across. Hold on to your control, click and drag right there. Okay, repeat the same thing for the next one, paste, and so on, guys. Alright, that's fine. So the next thing I want now is I'm going to now add, let's call that TDBEdit. There. Grab that and just drag it somewhere here. Right, something like that. I'm going to change the font size as well. So we make that 16. Just click on that. 16 regular. Okay, so I'm going to have copy it across. Copy. Paste. We have 2 now. We have 4. Paste. Bring that down. Right, so that is fine. I think before I go any further, it would be a wise idea to save it. So let's just save project as. So I'm going to call it student save, and the unit as well, we call that students with an S. There we go. Save. Alright, and underneath here I'm just going to add the same text, or text editor is called, or edit, something like that. And this is going to be for total and so on. So just drag it that much right there. That's fine. There. And I'm going to grab this very label, just paste it in here and change the data that we have in there. Alright, so in there I'm just going to type in total score. There. Now copy it again, paste, and paste one more. Alright, this is going to be date. And this next one is going to be ranking. Right, now that that is done, we're going to need about 5 of those here. So let's grab this very one, paste 5 in there. We have 1, 2, we have 4, and just one more. Okay, I'm going to change these to, change that to PhD. Let's say Doctor of Philosophy. Just put a field there. There we go. This is going to be Master of Science, and the next one is going to be Master of Art, followed by BSc Honors and BA Honors. There. Okay, I also need the TDBComboBox. Copy that and just dump it right in here, and then reduce the size that much. And I'm going to need 5 of those. Just copy, paste, copy again, paste. There. And just one more, paste. And these 5 components, I'm going to just grab hold of them, copy it, and just paste it on the other side. Copy everything and paste it right in here. And let's change this to home student, international student, and right here we change that to accommodation. Exchange, student on exchange program, it's a program, and here is student on scholarship. Brilliant, that is done. So here I'm going to add just one combo box up here. I'll undo that. I need just one combo box. Okay, so just get rid of the others. I'm also going to need this text box anyway. The one combo box will be right there, and we need 7 text box. Let's copy this one. So we have 2, 3. Copy and paste it right here. There. Just drag it that much. There we go. Okay, that is that all done. Now let's copy this again. I'm going to need it for the details here. Copy, that's going to be for the students information. I'm going to need 9 there, so copy this again, copy, and just paste it there. Right, now let's copy this very one, 4, and we have another one, 6. We need 3 more, paste. Okay, just one more, copy and paste that right there. Good. And I'm going to need, let's count, 1 2 3 4. This one I'm going to get rid of that. I need the kind of like DBComboBox here. Right, bring it here. There. Scroll right down, and here we need the parents details in there, or guardians details in there. So first thing first, because we can always copy from here, so let me change all of this around. So this one is going to be student ID. So come right in here, student ID, the first name, and so on. I've taken care of the student details in there, so let's take care of the guidance details. See, I'm going to copy just this 4 and just paste it in there. Yeah, that's fine. Move that down and this down. Then we need 2 more. 1 2, copy, paste right there. All done. All right. So we will tidy up later on anyway. Okay, that's okay for now. And right here, I'm going to need buttons here, 2 buttons. Let's type in TB and paste 1 here. Copy that, and another one here. Yeah, something like that. Now I then need the navigator, TDBN. There we go. There we grab that and just paste it right here. There, guys, that is it, done. Okay, I think I'm done with the design of the interface. All I just need to do now is to tidy up. Let's run it and see how that's going to look like. It's coming up now. There we go. Look at that. That is how it's looking now, although it looks a bit messy. So I'm going to tidy up the whole setting. Okay, so let's come down here. I'm going to start with the buttons first. Change this one to exit. And the font, let's come down here. Change the font to something readable. Let's come down, just make that maybe about 18. Could be more though. Let's say 20. And the next one here, I'm going to make that about 20 as well, and then enter resets there. Results, let's enter result there, not reset. Okay, come straight to the text and the caption. There we go. So I'm going to now name every single component, and I'll get back to you guys. So let's do that fast. Okay, all done, guys. There, let me just run it and I show it to you guys how it looks like. Let's see, it's coming up. There we go. So move this up here. That is how the whole interface looks for now, but there's nothing happening so far. Nothing is happening. Now what I want to do is add a TDBLabels there. So stop it and come back in here. Now let's type in here, let's say TDBLabels. There we go. Grab that and just draw it right here. Alright, I'm just going to use that to display the information of the students. That's fine. So we have our DEGrid there. Okay, so let's run it one more time. Well, so far guys, it's looking good, and I'm just going to call it the end of the first part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly.